Wonderful garlic roasted lemon salmon covered in an easy recipe baked to flaky perfection. This flavorful garlic roasted lemon salmon recipe makes a delicious, protein-packed dinner. Served with your favorite salad or side dishes, and the marinade is perfect for your go-to proteins. Ingredients needed for garlic roasted lemon salmon. 2 pound salmon fillet. 1 to 2 lemons sliced into rounds. 1/3 cup canola oil for garlic cloves minced. 1/4 cup lemon juice. 1 tablespoon dried dill. A pinch of salt. A pinch of black pepper. How to prepare garlic roasted lemon salmon. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 F190 C. 2. Mince the garlic into the oil and allow to marinate. 3. Place the salmon on a large piece of aluminum foil. 4. Pour lemon juice over salmon. 5. Brush the salmon with the garlic oil. 6. Sprinkle it with salt and pepper. 7. Place the lemon rounds to cover the fish. 8. Sprinkle with dill. 9. Wrap the foil to enclose the fish, folding the sides to seal. 10. Bake for 15 minutes. 11. Enjoy your homemade garlic roasted lemon salmon.